Giorgia Meloni's plan to relocate asylum seekers from Italy to Albania has faced a significant blow following a Rome court ruling. The court rejected the offshore detention of migrants, considering Bangladesh and Egypt as not categorically safe countries following a European Court of Justice precedent. This ruling has cast doubt on Meloni's flagship policy, aiming to curb Mediterranean migration by outsourcing asylum processing to Albania. Meloni's response, labelling the ruling as a temporary setback, underscores her frustration at judicial intervention in what she sees as an executive domain. The ruling highlights a clash between legal interpretations and political ambition, with Meloni maintaining that determining a country's safety should be a governmental responsibility and not a legal responsibility. Her rhetoric expressing dismay at judicial interference reflects her broader frustration with institutional barriers to her hard-line immigration stance. And of course, it has echoes to the legal frustrations to the Suella Braverman Rwanda plan. Albania, having initially agreed to host up to 36,000 male migrants annually, now finds itself embroiled in a legal and diplomatic tug-of-war. Prime Minister Edi Rama had supported this controversial deal, likely motivated by economic and diplomatic initiatives, but Albania's position has now become complicated by the court's ruling. The rejection of Albania as a safe third country for certain nationalities places its role as a European partner in a difficult light, testing the feasibility of such agreements in the face of EU legal scrutiny. Meloni's government, undeterred, has vowed to appeal and even rewrite regulations to push forward with the scheme, not unlike Suella Braverman. Her appeal to the broader European political stage, framing her model as an example for others like the UK's Keir Starmer, also reflects her desire to present herself as a leader with solutions to Europe's migration crisis. I come back to the same thing. If there is a migration crisis, which there is, then the first point of call must be to redefine the 1951 Refugee Convention. Albania's response remains diplomatic as it seeks to maintain its relationship with Italy while grappling with the practical and political implications with the fallout of this deal. Meanwhile, Meloni's leadership faces increasing pressure at home, with opposition parties and immigration lawyers like Lorenzo Trucco hailing the court decision as a victory for the rule of law and fairness. This episode reveals deeper challenges in Europe's migration crisis, whether externalizing asylum processing can withstand legal and ethical scrutiny, and how political leaders like Meloni will navigate these constraints.